Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light the Blind. This video is about most important and repeated question of history in Punjab Public Service Commission test. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Bhutto's predecessor as Foreign Minister of Pakistan was? Answer is Aziz Ahmed. Number 2. The Austrian statesman Metternich was in favor of? Answer is absolute government. Number 3. In European history, sick man of Europe was? Answer is Turkey. Number 4. Rousseau believed that the sovereignty of state depends on the? Answer is will of people. Number 5. Who said man was born free but everywhere I find him in chains? Answer is Rousseau. Number 6. Seeking truth and truth about God is? Answer is metaphysics. Number 7. In the early statements in America, Germans settled mostly in? Answer is Pennsylvania. Number 8. During the American War of Independence, Britain hired Hessian soldiers from? Answer is Germany. Number 9. Amount of dirhams fixed as Haqqe Meher when Holy Prophet peace be upon him married Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu anha was? Answer is 400 dirhams. Number 10. Which one of the pious caliphs joined the first migration to Habsha? Answer is Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu anhu. Number 11. Rani Padmavati, according to legends, was part of romantic story linked to? Answer is Alauddin Khilji. Number 12. Most of the Abbasid caliphs were from the family lines of? Answer is Abu Jafar Mansur. Number 13. Today's Iraqi capital city Baghdad was built by? Answer is Al-Mansur. Number 14. Imam Ali Raza, son-in-law of Mamunur Rashid, was buried in Tus now called? Answer is Mashhad. Number 15. The last Abbasid caliph was? Answer is Mu'tasim Billah. Number 16. The last ruler of Umayyad dynasty in Spain was? Hisham al-Mu'tamid Billah. Number 17. A short history of Saracens was written by? Answer is Sayyid Amir Ali. Number 18. Punjab Public Service Commission was formed under Indian Act of? Answer is 1935. Number 19. In 1929, Unionist Party was founded in Punjab by? Answer is Mian Fazle Hussain. Number 20. Which of the constitutional amendment in the 1973 Constitution abolished presidential powers to dissolve parliaments? Answer is 18th. Number 21. Hammurabi was the great lawgiver of? Answer is Greek. Number 22. Which was the biggest religion in Arabia before Islam? Answer is idolatry. Number 23. Which territory was ruled by Najashi? Answer is Habsha. Number 24. Who was called the brain of Arabia? Answer is Hazrat Amr bin As Razi Allah Anhu. Number 25. To which palace had Hazrat Ali Murtaza shifted his capital? Answer is Kufa. Number 26. Who abolished jizya on new converts? Answer is Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Number 27. How long did Raja Chach rule Sindh? Answer is 39 years. Number 28. Dr. Gibbon was a answer is a renowned historian. Number